Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is a very different perspective because I'm in the back seat of my car. Looks like my car is probably pretty big, but it's a pretty small car. And I'm out here with the PowerEgg, and I have this here pontoons and a little bubble that I'm going to stick on the PowerEgg. Now, the reason I'm out here today is there's been a few firmware updates to the PowerEgg-X. And right now, we're in the midst of a tiny little snowstorm. Not a big one, just a tiny one. So I thought I would just take it out, fly it around, and check out how it's working with the firmware updates. I've also put some more anti-fog on the plastic, so I'll see if that helps at all, because it's pretty darn cold out there and it's pretty windy as well, and it's a little nice and warm in here, so we'll see how it works with the fog. Here we go. First thing to do is put this together. Now, the reason I'm putting this together in my car is because if I take it outside and put it together, oh my god, I've got the wrong leg on here. Now, the reason I'm putting this together in my car is because if I go outside with all the snow falling, I'm going to get snow inside the plastic shell, and you really can't wipe it down. So, and I would mess up everything for the vision. So I'm putting everything together inside, vice outside. Now on this here PowerEgg-X Drone, if I didn't mention before, the antennas are in the actual legs. So when you put the pontoons on, you're kind of blocking the signal of the antenna. So you'd probably get less range with the pontoons on than with the pontoons off. That's my theory anyways. Next, it's plastic case time. Camera lens is clean. Keep the bubble nice and clean. Lock that in place, click this in, click the other one in, wipe off my little bubble on the outside. I don't know if you can see it in here, but even my car windows are foggied up now. All right, I got the pontoons on, so the next thing to do is I'm gonna pop this outside, power it on, and then I'm gonna come back inside and connect the controller. Then I'll go outside and fly it. Okay, I'll take this outside and let it climatize right over here. If you stay there, PowerEgg, I'm heading back in the car. Ooh, that's cold. You know what? Would have been good if I turned on the PowerEgg. I gotta go do that again. You gotta love winter weather. All right, PowerEgg's down here. Okay, let's power you on. I'm just gonna spin you around this way. And power. Little gimbal should be moving. And it's talking to me. We're ready to go. Get back into the car where it's nice and warm. Power this on. Click and click, you get nice green light and a sound. When the controller connects to the PowerEgg, which is way out there, it will vibrate and tell me it's all connected. There we go, I got a vibration, so I'm gonna connect the app. All right, here we go. If you look at my screen, it's going failure, then it's working, failed, then it's working. Let's see if I can get it going without. I won't fly it too far, because if it's going wonky, I'll have to land it. Especially with this wind. It says in-flight GPS working. So I don't know if that's something on the ground that was causing a problem. If I take it up, it's pretty cold out. My fingers are freezing here. The visibility range is quite low, so here, let me just pan it a little bit and show you. Yeah. There you go, you can see. Range is pretty low with this snowstorm that's coming in. Yeah, so can't see very far. Here I'm gonna walk into the arena. This arena is full of ice. I'll make sure I don't slip and slide. Whoa, there's all ice underneath my feet here. The snow is just covering it. So here we go. Bring the drone down over here. True Canadian winters with, I'm on a hockey ice rink, and we're coming down over here. And there we go. I almost scored. I bet, oh wow, I look kind of foggy and blurry here. Okay, let's bring this guy back over to the car. Start you up, take you up. Get out of this hockey rink. Actually, this guy looks like a hockey egg puck. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Go through here. Turn this way. Flies much better now. I think those antennas up there were causing massive interference. I don't know. All right, let's bring you down for a landing. All right, I'm back inside. I've got the PowerEgg-X here. Let me get a little closer. So it seemed to work out quite well with the firmware updates, although I was getting that gyro calibration error, but it went away, then it came back, then it went away. And as soon as I started flying, it was perfectly fine. I think it might have been the power lines, but I don't know. Power lines do cause interference with all sorts of things, so it might have did something glitchy. But it seemed to fly okay. Hopefully the video turned out okay. I did put the anti-fog on the plastic again. This time I put a bit more so that it should work better. The visibility is pretty bad out there and it is really windy. So the drone did well in the wind, especially with the pontoons and everything on it for flying around. No errors or any weird stuff showing up on the screen for that aspect. Everything worked out well. Hopefully, as I mentioned, the anti-fog worked and you didn't see too much fog and the video looked nice and clear through the plastic bubble. And that was it. Not much of a test, just trying out after firmware updates and with the snow here, just seeing how it worked. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And my glasses are all fogged up. And I will catch you in another video. Take care. All right, bubble. Put all this back together. Woohoo! She's all back together. That's good. That's good. Hey, we're all done.